Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to unbox the October's edition Glossy Box for you. So let's get straight on into the video. So this is the October edition Glossy Box. So it is in a gorgeous purple box. It's got Enchanted Spirit, the Beauty Tales. So recently I've seen a lot of people promoting Glossy Box. I used to be subscribed to it years and years ago, and then I was persuaded again to sign back up and get those subscriptions. So it is a subscription service. I think it's around £11 or £12 for their bog standard package, and then it goes up. I think they've got different price ranges, but there are a lot of discount codes out there, so you can get your first box or however many subscriptions at a discounted price. So yeah, if you are interested in doing it, then now is the time to get going with it. So I have been waiting for this package now for a week or so, and it arrived today, and I just want to dig in and get it open and have a look and see what's in this month's edition. So let's get straight on into it and let's get unpacking this. I am so excited. So yes, as I say, it just comes in this purple little gift box, which is gorgeous, and afterwards it'll be really handy to just store little things in there. I think it's such a gorgeous box. So opening the lid, that comes off, and then this is how it is packaged. So it's got in here this purple ribbon which just unties. Then it's got a promotion card which is from MAC by the looks of it. Now this is where I am so excited. So I'll just balance it here. Oh my god. I'm trying not to rip it, but I think that is inevitable. So here we are. Okay, so let's go straight for the food. This is the dairy milk. Let's pan you back up. This is the dairy, oh, it's dark milk, both rich and creamy original. Not a massive fan of dark chocolate, but I'm sure Dan will enjoy that. So we've got a little chocolate bar in there. Let's go for this big package here. So this is bubble tea, fairy dust lavender. I've heard a lot about the brand called Bubble Tea, but I've personally never tried it. So this is Bath and Body. It's a foaming bath powder in lavender. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go for is this box down here. I'm picking these out at random. I'm pretty sure I can see the Illamasqua logo, so I'm very excited to get into that in a moment. So this is from the Beauty Crop, and is their Stargazing Blush Duo. See, this is why I love these beauty boxes, because they put some names in there that I've never heard of, and I don't really spend much on makeup or, well, skincare I tend to spend a bit more money on, but makeup I never really go for any of the product. I just go to Boots and just get bog standard stuff. So to spend like £10 a month and get sent all of this, different brands, different products, I think it's such an amazing idea, and I'm so happy I've started this back up. Oh wow, okay. So it's a little blush duo like that. So it's got two shades. It's not really picking up well on camera, but there is this shade here which is more of a pinky kind of colour. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite sheer. I think that's the lighting washing it out more than it is the colour. That is pretty. I do like that. And then This one here is more of a browny, darker. So that's the darker one there, and then that's more of the pinky one. I'm really not doing very well at showing those shades, but this one is definitely a lot darker, but it's still got the shimmer in it. But this one I'll definitely get some use out of. I really like that colour. It's a very nice pinky corally colour, which is perfect for my blush. Next I'm going to go for this one. Okay, we've got a lipstick. This is the Luna by Luna, and it is a pixie lipstick. Let's have a look. I don't really wear lipstick, and definitely not any of, I think pixie might be the colour. Okay. So it's this pinky. This is quite a nice nudie natural colour to start me actually wearing lipstick. So perhaps I can give that a go and see how that wears and what the colour's like on. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 more products left. So I'm going to go for this pencil one here, which is from... I don't know what that make is. It's got here 3INA Cosmetics, Zena. I'm not too sure. Can you see that? Like, that's the logo. Not too sure. I've never heard of that brand before. But it is the 24-hour pen eyeliner. So it is like this. So it's got a lovely long nib on it and looks like it will be quite precise. Okay, this is why I don't wear eyeliner. I am so shaky when I try and draw a line. I never wear eyeliner because I try and do it and it just ends up absolutely everywhere in a mess because I can't draw in straight lines apparently. Something I never normally buy, but when you get sent it and you've paid for it, you just have to give these things a go. So I'm excited to perhaps try some eyeliner. Okay, so that is everything. There's just purple like tissue paper left, apart from this lovely exciting little box down here, and it is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. So I love the packaging in this. It's just like a, let me do that back up. So it's just a small little black pot like this, and then the lid screws off. Then we can take, okay, so the consistency, I'm not sure if you can really see there, is quite thick. So oh, it's like jelly. So is this something that you put on your skin under foundation and it's supposed to act as a primer and hydrate your skin? I don't know, but I'm just going to whack it on. Is it looking smooth? I'm not a massive primer person, which is why I thought sign up to this. Hopefully I might get some makeup products that inspires me to take an interest and actually start and learn what I should be putting on my face and in what order. The consistency in the pot of that is literally just like a pot of jelly. It feels really weird. But that is it. That is everything for this month's Glossy Box. So yeah, that came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I don't know how many you normally get in. As I say, this is the first time I've signed up to it in years and years. But yeah, so now I'm subscribed. please look out for these videos each month. I'm going to be doing a unboxing, and if you'd like to see any of the products tested or any more information around any of the subscription or the products themselves, then please leave me a comment down below. Other than that, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and if you would like to hit that subscribe to stay around, then I would very much appreciate that too. So that is all from me. As I say, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!